fellas and fellahettes. What's going on? Yeah. We are here again, working on the old 290, which has accumulated an immense amount of moisture. I don't know why. Probably because this garage is moisture inhibiting. But we have a plan today. Now, last video, all 35 of you, well, actually more like all 11 of you that saw it, we got some progress done. Now we're here today to get some more progress, and that would be going to take the number 7 carrier bearing off so that we can look at those thick jimmy things back there. But we got something pretty cool with us today. I bought a book. Yes sir, I did. So I don't know why, but the name escapes me about like every 30 seconds, along with anything else important I try to remember. See if we can, injectors. I mean, this thing's full of good stuff. No. Wow, isn't that is helpful stuff right there. Let's see if you can see it. Huh? I mean, anybody will be able to friggin' it's the directions on how to find top dead center. Pretty nifty. Yeah, I got two different books. This one is way better, and it was like $30 cheaper. Oh, we're getting close. Nope, never mind. Nope. Well, what in the... Let's see. It's actually right up here. And the name, why can I not remember? I remember the serial number of the transmission for the Brockway, but I can't remember number 9. Crankshaft thrust ring. It's called a crankshaft thrust ring, right? Well, right there. Oh, right there. That guy. That's what we're after, because the crankshaft moves back and forth just a tickle. But I figured might as well. But we'll take that number 7 off. Backpack. We'll take that number 7 off, and we'll check out the B-ring, and we're going to look at the thrust ring. That's pretty funny. And we'll see how it goes. I mean, I might take the fan hub off. Judging on the amount of moisture that's accumulated here, I'm actually not really feeling very comfortable taking my valve covers off quite yet. I mean, there's moisture in it. I mean, whatever. But, yeah. And, I mean, you guys, you see a lot of people who are interested, but not too many people are subscribing and liking. I mean, come on. I subscribe and like anything that's got a sweet Cummins in it. It's not that hard. Just boop. But, you know, so why don't you guys go ahead and do that if you're interested. If you're not, still do it anyways. Maybe someday I'll make a video that's interested in you. Who knows? But we're going to get the old time-lapse rolling. Alrighty. Okay. Okay, so that happened. Let's set that guy there. Let's see these thrust boosters. Oh, holy smoke, a road! I guess. Oh yeah. What? Huh? Excuse me? Well, they don't. What's going on here? Oh, what? Not sure. Maybe. Like that? Wow. What? Oh, there's front and back. Okay. Alrighty. There's no bearing on that frickin'. I'm confused. Alright, let's flick that guy right off. Oh, come on. Here we go. I don't know. Maybe. Come on. Oh, she's spinning right around for me. Let's see. I think this is the crank side is the side that I smoke. No. No, it is actually, I think, that one's not bad. Not bad. Smoked. But then there's one more. We gotta get a screwdriver. Oh, it just so happened to have one. Always remember to leave your tools laying in piles of dirt and grease, because you never know. You may be too lazy at one time to actually get up and get more tools. You know what I mean? Alrighty. Huh? Okay. Alright, I'll bring you guys in and I'll redo it. Oh, I ripped my shirt. Wow. Alright. Okay. I wonder if GoPro ever biscuits. Look, their cameras will be doing something like ow. Alrighty. Okay, so see this guy, we're gonna push her up like so. Grab her on the other side. Okay. And drop it on the camera. Yep, that one smoked. So is the back side of this one. Alright, I'm gonna grab all these. We're gonna get back out into the sunlight. We're gonna take a gander. What do we got? Wow. It's amazing that I just really have no clue what I'm doing, and I'm just winging it. See how muddy this all is? It was not like that when we took it. That's all moisture. That's great. That's great. What are you gonna do? Okay, so we got the two off of there, carrier bearing off. But you know what's crazy is I for sure thought, I'll show you in a second. Let's put this stuff up here. And then grab that number 7. Whatever they want to call it. Holy smokes, getting my freaking selfie stick all muddy and oily. Alright, let's put this on the homemade workbench. I gotta wipe my hands off because I keep touching the screen on this thing. Here, sitting on the wow. The camera fits right into the boosty scoop quite well. That's wet. Oh, my hat! Biscuits! Perfect. Oh, you guys should see the selfie stick. It is... I can't have... That's why I can't have anything nice. I ruin it. I'm a dirty fellow. I went home for like 30 seconds, held my son for 2, and got him dirty. Silly Willy. Alrighty. Well, I don't need this. So the thrust washers. We got. Let's bring these over to the old Brockway mud flap area. I was under the impression that these were actually steel, but they're not. But see this one? That is smoked. You're talking, oh, significant amount difference. You really can't tell. I can though. But see that one smoked? That was on the back side. So that'd be clutch side, which is pretty fun. Wow, they're supposed to be, so you guys see this? See right here? You got a lip. You got a lip right there. Look where the lip is on this one. Gone. Oh wait. Oh, I see. Never mind. So the lip is still there, but see how this guy's all tapered? Who knows? I don't know what I'm doing. But I do know that's gonna get replaced. I think one of these has got a part number. Oh yeah, that's got a part number on it. Let's see the smoked one. Smoked ones have a part number on it as well. What do we got going on here? Focus. Yeah, you ain't gonna do it. But little accomplishment. I think we're gonna keep going and doing other things on it. Again, the moisture accumulation in here is unreal, so we're gonna have to consider that with my next steps, because she's pretty muddy up onto it. I might, if you guys want to listen, I might just talk about Brockways for a while. I love talking about them. Talk about the plans. It looks pretty cool with all the rain that we're getting. Snow, rain type of situation. But, I mean, there it is. There it is. I just wish the weather was nice. Oh, what's up, beautiful? You beautiful rig, you. She's sad. I haven't taken her anywhere for a while. It's just sitting here for a winter time. But it is like 50 degrees out. I should start it. Man. Alrighty, so restore Brockway. That'd be a good idea. Not really. It's not bad, but it's not great. Oh, that's fine. Never mind. So finally got that out. You guys want to check out number 7 main bearing? Number 7 main bearing. She's kind of toasted. Sugar. And number 6 connecting rod bearing. I don't know if you can see it, but see how these little spots and these scratches, if your nail, yeah, see, nail catches on it, probably not good. Lot of pitting over here on this side. We got a good set of pitting right there. So I looked it up. I looked up that part number, and what it's actually, they're like $6.80 a set according to this website I found for the exact part number on the little guy at the part numbers 203660 OSTB, and they're like $6 for per cylinder. And I don't know about the main bearings yet, but I mean, it probably wouldn't hurt it. I mean, I have to replace the main bearings at least, but it probably won't hurt me doing a set of bearings in it. It'll be kind of tough because we're working on the stand here. It's not great. It's not the most comfortable. What I'd like to do is get it so I could scooch this thing right up here further or something. I don't know yet. But anyways, enough chit chatting. We got our headway, got some part numbers to call Cat or Cummins. I'm just so used to saying, oh yeah, I'll call Cat. That's mainly what I deal with. But yeah, pitter patter.